Good morning, everybody. So I'm just about to pop into town and I thought I would whip out the camera and have a little look in TKMAXX together to see if they have anything in the Halloween sale. Obviously I'm still posting my 13 days of Halloween. I think this is day 9 now. I was crafting last night and I'm pretty sure I was saying it was day 8. So I think this is a day 9, but I'm actually meeting a friend this morning. Well, about 12 I'm supposed to be meeting them, and it's about 10 past 11 now, so I've got around 50 minutes to spare. And yeah, I just thought a little mooch in TKMAXX and I can bring you along with me. So that's what we're going to do. Hopefully we find some things. If not, it's very much Christmas. I said in the craft video last night that I don't know what to do because all the Halloween stuff and everything isn't in stores anymore. I'm not really doing many more events for Halloween apart from, like, you know, with friends and like in person kind of things I don't really want to be bringing a camera out for. And I only have a couple of Halloween DIYs that I'm kind of wrapping up. So maybe the last couple of days of 13 days of Halloween are going to be like pre-Christmas ones. So we're just going to see how it goes. Anyway, I'm going to like daily film still until the 13 days is over because that's what I obviously promised. But yeah, we're going to go to TKMAXX now and see what the situation is like there. First up, Co-op though, because I need a drink, okay? Drink and snack of the day. Let's go in, see what we can find. I'm thinking Dr. Pepper Zero, if they have it, will be my number one choice. There it is. Perfect. Now for a little snack. Yes, this is where dreams are made. Co-op snack aisle. This is where I live, okay? Co-op and Londis. They always have the best snacks, don't they? So let's see what I'm going to go for. Possibly a Kinder Bueno. Galaxy Caramel. That would be good. Or a Tony's Chocolate. They have got the little ones. This one here is the best. But it's £1.15. I remember used to pay £1.20 for like the big bar. It was all a bit ripped off now. I know. A ripple. Annoying. I thought I was filming for ages walking the town. But I'm at TKMAXX now. Anyway, I just ate my ripple in all that time and I was talking about the street performer being really good. But we've made it to TKMAXX and they've changed this all around. Okay? That's fine. We can deal with this. I don't like it. Taking the laser out and going up the escalators. Okay, this is what I was saying about having to switch over to Christmas. I think most of the Halloween is gone. We've definitely switched over to Christmas. This is my first time in a TKMAXX with Christmas stuff out this year. So there's that at least. 13 days of Halloween now is turning into 13 days of Christmas, okay? That is adorable. Every time I go to a shop, I'm like, yeah, the gingerbread man stuff is calling me. Oh, stop. Look at, oh, no. But look how adorable that is. Let me get it. Oh, look at that. They look like little cookies, don't they? Love those. Very sweet. But yeah, the gingerbread men are just calling my name on everything. Okay, look, there's the Halloween stuff. That's all that is left. That's crazy. Is it in the sale? Someone said it's in the sale already, so... Well, that isn't, but I have something very similar. Look how cute that is. That is adorable, except obviously that's why it's left. It's got a glob of glass on there. $4.99, but he's a bit broken. Oh, that's scary, isn't it? Look, 30 days of Halloween, we're keeping it on brand, alright? Look. We're seeing things. Happy October. No one could tell me otherwise next year. I'm not, like, getting into it. We're just going to be posting Christmas videos earlier, alright? Halloween videos are definitely going to stop by the kind of first week in October because this is just silly. You have to grab it when you see it, I know, but I mean, you can't make content of it. They're two different things. Frightly Fun Garland. That is cute. How much are the bag sets? Were they $4.99? Let's have a look. Yeah, $4.99 for those. And how many were in there? 13, of course. I should have known. Here we go, look, the party wear stuff. So if you're having a party, at least TKMAXX still has those, and a lot of themed, funny ghosts. I'm not really a fan of the themed funny ghost. I like just a plain ghost, because by the time you know it, like the cowboy stuff will be out, thank goodness, because it's been overdone very cheaply. So nothing annoys me more than cheap cowboy stuff. And then like this little Mr. and Mr. and the Mrs. and Mrs. ones there, but wow, look at these. If you're a bit of a fancy girly, what are they? Oh, that's in a sale. Ghost Garland. Diamante ones though, that's pretty fun. In fact, that's nice. I'm not after any more pumpkins, but really blooming lovely. I like the little metal leaves on there. That is a bit of me, that one. $7.99. I don't need it, so I'm not going to be buying that, but very beautiful. These look like something I would DIY. I like them. I think I see those earlier on in the year on someone's Instagram. It might have even been my own, but they're $6.99. That's not too bad, is it? Anyway, let's look at the Christmas. So screw the Halloween. I'm sorry, but we are transitioning over into Christmas. Look at these snowmen. They're so sweet. I'm going to be doing a snowman pattern this year, actually. I've decided. Loads of people have been asking me for it. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's good. Is he a cookie jar? Yeah, look at him. I mean, his paint job isn't very good, but good. I think we need a bit more care on things, TKMAXX. What can we say? Oh, look at her. Look at her little face. That's sweet. $6.99. It's the absolute bargain. But you do have to store that indefinitely then. Unless you're going to donate it, of course. But, I mean, she is very, very cute. Probably the cutest little gingerbread man you'd ever did see. Is that a tree topper? Yeah. Santa tree topper. I like him. I'm wondering if we've actually got... Oh, look. More Halloween sale, but again, I'm over it. We're over it. Like, I can't even pretend anymore. Look at that baby alien. Baby alien. $9.99, and he lights up. Hold on, does he work? Well, I was over it, then I saw a baby alien. Oh, he does, but not very well. Maybe he's out of batteries. I don't know. Anyway, Christmas. Like I said, I'm moving on to Christmas now. We have little crackers. Oh golly, look, this is a representation of my mind. I go from Halloween to Christmas over and over. $6.99 little mini party hats for a pack of 6. So what's that, like £1 each per party hat? Sorry, thank you. I think that's fairly all right. Christmas wrap now, all the tissue paper. Sometimes you'll get lucky and find like Emma Bridgewater ones, and there we go, Catechism ones, and you get the most beautiful little patterns on them. All the little people. Saw these the other day. Look at those. Very cute. I was thinking that you could do some decoupage or something with these, because they're kind of like fancy, aren't they? I mean, you could obviously use them as gift wrap, but I mean, decoupage would be great. Oh, look at that. So cute. I love things with like the little people and like the little things on. I don't know what it is about it. Oh my goodness. Look at those Santas. 13. Do you know what's really annoying? I bought some the other day and I don't like them as much as these. And this one. Look at these Santas. I didn't think I'd be able to find any, so I just bought some from the range. $4.99 again. Oh, look at those little cute Santas. I like them. Oh, that one's broken. We'll just put that there. Look at these little Santas. I don't like those ones so much, but these ones are very cute. The Sleigh Hill Trading Company ones. Oh, that one there, I already have the wrapping paper to that. I got it years ago, maybe about 5 or 6 years ago for that design. But I've still got some left over because I refuse to throw it away. This is the same brand that one was made of. It's just an absolute nightmare to wrap with because it's so thick and then the tape peels off it. Wouldn't recommend buying that. Okay, oh look, we're really restocked in here. This is a fantastic time to come. Lots of ghosty candles left. Nobody's wanting the ghosty candles, but look at that. Santa. Got all the syrups. I always struggle with the syrups in here because they're always sugar-free. And when it comes to the syrups, I actually like sugar in my syrups. Which is actually quite funny. These sugar-free. Or what? Oh, these ones actually have sugar in. Rice syrup and sugar being the top ingredient of those ones. See, like that makes a difference. I don't like all the 0 calorie ones. I think they taste funny. And even as a diabetic, I just go ahead and just get the full sugar ones. So there's that. Oh, look what I just stumbled across. The Catechism little pots. Look at those. Again, with all the people, but actually on your cookware. And then they've got the ramekins as well. Set of 4 for how much are they? $9.99 on them. And these ones here are $9.99 each for the little roasters. Oh, and a butter dish. Butter dish there, we've got the little windows. This one here is the cutie design that I really like. And they are, let me guess, yeah, $9.99 for those. Christmas tea towels. Don't get me sucked in there. I will not be able to leave this store empty-handed. More cookware. Now we've got some spode. The little tree. That's adorable, isn't it? I have started my spode collection a few years ago, as you guys may know. These are really pretty with those edges. I've got like the roaster and I've got a smaller dish now, but I'm trying to collect it like piece by piece where I kind of need it. That's cool. $16.99 though, but what's it for? If anyone could tell me what that actually is for, I would like to know that, because what are you putting in there? It's kind of too small for like any vegetable or anything, but I'm not actually sure what you would put in there. Oh, look at that platter. I don't have a platter. £30. Very pretty though. Again, I like it because it's got all these little things on. Mugs now. You guys know that I am a Catechism fan. Look at those strawberry ones. I don't like the shape of that much. I do like the shape of this one. Dinosaurs on there. How much are they? $5.99. Got another one with the classic trains on. Look how cute and fun they are. Just adore them. Oh my lordy. I feel like if I was ever someone's secret Santa, they would buy me that. The flipping hedgehog mug. Hedgehogs are definitely one of my favourite animals. The little bee. This is pretty. Peppermint. That's very nice and simplistic. I've already kind of got my Christmas mug for this year. I got it in B&M. It was like one of those monogram ones, just with a C on, and it had like dangly bits. Cushions. These sort of cushions are the ones my sister buys. You know, the tapestry ones. Snowmen on there. She's definitely more of a traditional Christmas, and she usually buys them with a Santa on. I'm more of like, what sort of cushion person am I? I don't really know. Nothing's even captured my eye here today. That one's quite cute. Again, tapestry. Not really my sort of vibe, but that's nice. See, I like that. It's pretty. Christmas towels now. Look at these. Very traditional looking. They look like tartan blankets, don't they? Like you can imagine. My granddad used to have a tartan blanket like that in his car. Little gingerbread men with the top hats. $9.99, a set of 2 in there, both with the little appliques on, which is nice. Sometimes they do them a bit plain, don't they, if they've got one with a set in. I don't like them so much. They don't feel so nice, they feel almost like microfibery. A present, clear present dispenser. That reminds me of those ones in B&M, you know, the gift set ones that people have been filling with things, the gingerbread house and stuff. And a tree dispenser. $6.99. Feels awful. Always come down this aisle because I have so many like nieces and stuff. Look at these little sets of rings. I would have loved that as a kid. Definitely time to get all of your little trinkets and stuff now. How much are they? $6.99 for those ones. $6.99 for those ones as well. So it gives you an idea of the pricing of things. These little sets of hair clips, again, something I would have loved. $3.99 for them. Imagine that in Claire's. It would be so expensive. These are sweet, look. Matching pairs if your girlies have little, like, what are they called? Hair, like ponytails, but when you have 2, I don't know, my mind's gone blank. $5.99 for them, for a set of 10. See, look, unreal. These are beautiful, but not pairs, so you have to bear that in mind, but yeah. so many good little trinkets that'll make good little stocking fillers. See, $3.99 for a stocking filler. That's what we're talking about. I've been seeing lots of videos recently where people like starting to do them and then are showing stocking fillers that are literally like £30-40. I'm like, that is a present. So $3.99 for her. How sweet is that? Love this guy. Look at him. I would like that for myself. $12.99. Smocko Mochi plush. I don't know what it is. Looks like some sort of Christmas Yeti, but I would like that myself. Oh my goodness, look at this Halloween costume. You could be a box of donuts with a donut headband. So I've only got a couple minutes left before I'm going to have to dart due to meeting a friend of mine. But look at all these clips they have here. Just wanted to show you these. Wow, again, little stocking fillers these could be, or just put them together in a nice little gift basket for a main gift. This is pretty, this gold bow metal one. Nice. All the sparkly bags. I come down this aisle, I have so many little sparkly bags, and all my fun ones always come from TKMAXX. So $19.99 on her. This one up here catches my eye. It's all the little diamante ones that do. Look how funny that little bag is. How much is she? $16.99. Very cute. This one, like I said, I've got a lot of sparkly little bags. I bought a heart-shaped one not so long ago, actually, from TKMAXX. I think that was TKMAXX in Austell, but that one's a pretty good TKMAXX. It's quite a big one. So if you're in Cornwall, the St Austell one's pretty good, and the Fradham one's good. I think we've only got 3. We might have some more, but this is kind of my local one where I pop in. Oh my goodness, Christmas pajamas. Thanks. Size large, Chelsey pears, look at that. Beautiful. I didn't want to like interrupt these poor people. I got there and all was getting really excited. Probably thought I was going to steal the pyjamas they wanted. Oh, they feel really good actually. Lots of people have posted about them. I do actually quite like them. I've got quite a lot in this store. This one's cool. Is that Chelsey pears as well? Yeah. It kind of reminds me of like Liberty fabric really, with the different patterns on there. Look at that. Oh, they're matching family pyjamas. Sweet. Oh, look at those. They're cute. Summer microwavable hottie. We love to see them. Look at all of these. Look at that crab. It's got funny eyes. Lots of people love the TKMAXX dressing gowns, don't they? I've got my one from Tesco and it's very nice. This one's beautiful with the bows on. Look at that. $16.99. It's not very thick, but definitely good for just chilling out in. So that one. Are they teddy bears? I think they're teddy bears, but very pale teddy bears. The bow one there is probably the best one in my opinion. Got a bit of Marie, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that was all they had in TKMAXX. Not a lot, but this is what I'm saying about the kind of Halloween, Christmassy, kind of in-between bit that we're actually in. I'm very much going to be going into Christmas mode now. I need to do some planning. I need to be planning some patterns. People have asked me for them. And in order for me to get them out in a timely manner, I'm obviously going to be needing to make them now, aren't I? So that's my excuse anyway. Anyway, I'm off to meet a friend now. So I'm going to leave the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed looking around in TKMAXX with me. I am running a little bit late, so I'm walking at a nice fast speed up a hill and I'm out of breath. But anyway, I hope you have a fantastic day and I will see you very soon for another video.